Presenting the Flyers Bay 1 to 20 Bay Big and Mean Rock Crawling Scale Modified Hummer for the age 4 years and above. The dimension of this monster truck is 30 by 16 by 15 cm and it weighs 771 grams. The monster truck comes with shock suspension system and rubber tires. This remote control truck can be drove on the earth, grass or sands. This monster truck is made of plastic. The remote control truck requires 4 rechargeable batteries which are included. 10 days replacement policy only for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.
For most part.